used old see-through hole chocolate box for this project. I made holes on the box using heated pin to fix nuts and bolts. This is the LCD module with I2C interface for serial communication. I mounted LCD module to see-through box using 4 nuts and bolts. And this is how it looks after mounting display module to Arduino box. I made some more holes in the bottom of the box to attach speedometer to my bicycle, and I passed some cable ties through holes. This is the Arduino Uno microcontroller board. I used it as the brain of my project. I mounted Uno board same as above with 4 small nuts and bolts. This is how it looks after mounting both display module and Uno board. Arduino shield with breadboard is used to connect display, sensors and battery together. I used battery pack with 4 1.5 volts batteries to power up my speedometer. I mounted battery pack with small double-sided adhesive tape. Mounting is completed and now it's time to connect them together. Supply ground is directly connected to Uno board and positive is connected via on-off switch. This is how my final product looks like. I used small piece of cushion at the bottom of the box to prevent breaking blocks while attaching to my bicycle.